Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Plantful, and I am back with another Plan With Me video, this time planning for July. So right here I'm doing my flip through of my monthly pages for June, as always. And so far I've done my cover page, my habit tracker, expenses, and now I'm going into my weekly pages for June and how they all turned out. So for June, I had fun with some new themes, and I also ended up switching out my usual layout. So you'll see in just a moment a spread that was inspired by the look of a tarot card, and that's because I got a tarot deck in the month of June that I was absolutely obsessed with and using nonstop, and so these pages are a reflection of that.
So the first spread that I'm drawing out here is my July cover page, and as you can see I usually just use whatever object is circular and around me to draw out my circles. And for this page I'm doing a theme that's inspired by the cover of the book The Alchemist. So if you've seen the cover of that book, then this page is going to look familiar to you. I really love how that looks, so I wanted to create it in my bullet journal. I decided to make the colors this month resemble that of a sunset, so I'm using a lot of yellow, orange, pink, and some blue here and there. And those colors were also on the cover of the book that I'm recreating, so I thought it worked nicely together. The page next to that is always my mood tracker, and for this month I got a little more crazy than usual. My mood trackers are usually really unconventional, but this one is maybe not even practical, but basically I just let my inner child kind of run loose and created this, which so far is a sunset, and then I'm starting to sketch some waves and kind of make it look like a beach with a setting sun and some mountains, and then momentarily I'm also going to draw in some wild plants on the bottom. So my idea for this page was to mark the different colors of my mood up on the top portion where the sunrise or sunset is, and it's a little bit busy, so I'm not sure how well that's going to work out, but I'm going to try it. And I know this page may not be everyone's cup of tea because it's not super practical and it doesn't have the days listed, but I still enjoyed making it and I had fun, so that's all that matters. Moving on to my next spread, which is a classic in my bullet journal, and it's a goals page and habit tracker. And for this one I'm doing a small sun pattern at the bottom with some mountains in between, kind of going off the cover page and mood tracker design from before. And then above that, as always, I'm going to be making a table for my habits, and then I'm also going to be writing in my goals for the month of July. moving on to the final spread in my monthly pages, which is an expenses tracker and a reflections page. So I'm continuing with a sun doodle at the top and then my July expenses page on the left. And what I use the expenses page for is just a place to track all the money that goes in or comes out of my bank account for the month. My reflections page on the right is a place where I come in at the end of the month and fill out a little summary of all the lessons that I learned during the month and everything I was grateful for, and just kind of reflect on everything that happened during the month and any changes I want to implement for the next month or things that I want to remember, memories, and all that kind of thing. So here's a final flip through of my July monthly pages, and please stay tuned for more videos coming soon. I've been doing a lot of weekly spread setups over on my Instagram, so check that out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.